projected 50% growth in media technology and political consultancy sectors by Q4 2025, expert predictions and competitive landscape analysis. Overview. In the rapidly evolving landscape of media technology and political consultancy, experts predict a remarkable 50% growth in these sectors by the fourth quarter of 2025. This anticipated expansion is driven by technological advancements, shifts in consumer behavior, and the complexities of geopolitical dynamics. Reports from the Reuters Institute and J.P. Morgan provide detailed insights into the factors influencing this growth as well as the competitive environment that firms must navigate. Key drivers of growth. 1. Technological advancements. Artificial intelligence and data analytics. Innovations in AI and data analytics are reshaping how media and consultancy firms operate. According to both the Reuters Institute and J.P. Morgan, these technologies enable companies to deliver highly personalized and efficient services, enhancing customer engagement and satisfaction. Digital communication. Enhanced digital communication platforms are facilitating real-time interactions between firms and their clients, further driving the demand for consultancy services. 2. Market demand and changing consumer behaviors. Desire for personalized content. The demand for tailored content and strategic insights is growing. The Reuters Institute highlights that consumers are increasingly seeking engaging and relevant media experiences, prompting firms to adapt their offerings. Shift to digital platforms. As more consumers engage with media through digital platforms, firms are compelled to innovate and enhance their digital presence to meet evolving expectations. 3. Geopolitical factors. Navigating complex international relations. The J.P. Morgan report underscores the importance of geopolitical awareness in consultancy. As firms face a landscape marked by political uncertainty and macroeconomic volatility, their role in advising clients on strategic decision-making becomes crucial. Impact of policy changes. Political consultancy firms will need to adapt to rapidly changing policies and global relations, further increasing their value to clients seeking guidance. 4. Competitive landscape analysis. Innovation and agility. To maintain market share, established firms must continuously innovate. The rise of startups leveraging new technologies poses a challenge to traditional players, necessitating agility and responsiveness to market changes. Disruption of traditional models. Startups may disrupt existing business models, compelling established firms to rethink their strategies and operations. Differences between source perspectives. Focus areas. The Reuters Institute primarily concentrates on media trends and the implications of digital transformation on consumer engagement, while J.P. Morgan offers a broader economic outlook considering equity markets and macroeconomic conditions. Predictions timeline. The Reuters Institute outlines specific trends leading to 2025, such as increased digital integration and the growth of social media, whereas J.P. Morgan focuses on the interplay between these trends and broader economic factors. Timeline of key events. 2023 to 2024, initial signs of rapid technological adoption in media and consultancy sectors are observed, alongside a marked shift in consumer preferences towards personalized content. Mid-2024, heightened geopolitical tensions and macroeconomic volatility begin to influence consultancy demand as firms seek expert guidance on navigating complex environments. Late 2024, market experts forecast significant growth in the media and consultancy sectors, estimating a 50% increase by Q4 2025. Q4 2025, the anticipated convergence of technological advancements, evolving consumer behaviors, and a complex political landscape is expected to culminate in the projected growth. Conclusion. The projected 50% growth in the media technology and political consultancy sectors by Q4 2025 signifies a transformative period characterized by technological innovations, changing consumer demands, and evolving geopolitical dynamics. As firms navigate this landscape, they must remain agile and innovative to harness the opportunities presented by these trends. The interplay of these factors will not only reshape the competitive landscape but also redefine the nature of engagement between firms and their clients in the coming years. References: 1. Reuters Institute, Journalism, Media and Technology Trends and Predictions 2025 https://reutersinstitute.politics.ox.ac.uk/journalism, media and technology trends and predictions 2025. 2. J.P. Morgan, Market Outlook 2025 https://www.jpmorgan.com/insights/global research/outlook/market outlook. This comprehensive analysis highlights the critical elements driving growth in the media technology and political consultancy sectors, ensuring that stakeholders are well prepared to navigate the challenges and opportunities ahead. The projected growth of 50% in the media technology and political consultancy sectors by Q4 2025 presents several counterintuitive insights that challenge conventional wisdom regarding these industries. 1. Misconception about technological disruption. While many assume that technological advancements primarily benefit startups and new entrants, the data suggests that established firms may struggle more than anticipated. This is counterintuitive since established companies often have more resources to invest in technology. However, their size can lead to bureaucratic inertia, making it difficult to pivot quickly in response to the fast-paced digital landscape. The agility of startups leveraging emerging technologies could disrupt traditional models more effectively than resource-rich incumbents. 2. Consumer demand for personalization versus privacy concerns. The expectation that consumers will continuously demand more personalized content could overlook the growing concerns regarding privacy and data security. As consumers become more aware of data usage, there may be a backlash against excessive personalization, which could limit growth in sectors relying heavily on data analytics. This presents a paradox where the very technology driving demand for tailored experiences might also provoke resistance from consumers wary of how their data is being used. 3. Geopolitical risks as growth drivers. Typically, geopolitical risks are viewed as obstacles to growth. However, in the context of political consultancy, these risks may catalyze demand for expert guidance and strategic insights. This perspective is counterintuitive because one might expect companies to contract during uncertain times. Instead, the complexity of international relations may necessitate deeper consultancy services fueling sector growth. 4. Short-term versus long-term focus. Many analysts predict immediate growth due to current trends, which can overshadow the importance of long-term sustainability strategies. The assumption that rapid growth will continue unchecked could lead to complacency among firms. This oversight is counterintuitive since those that invest in sustainable practices and long-term innovation may outlast competitors who prioritize short-term gains without addressing foundational issues. 5. Impact of economic volatility on consultancy demand. It might seem logical that economic downturns would decrease demand for consultancy services. However, firms often seek consultancy during periods of uncertainty to navigate challenges. This is counterintuitive because one might expect companies to cut costs in tough times, yet they frequently turn to consultants for insights and strategies that could help them survive and thrive. 6. Shift in competitive dynamics. While established firms are typically viewed as having a competitive advantage, the analysis suggests that the growth of technology may level the playing field. This challenges the notion that size and history guarantee success. Smaller firms that can leverage technology effectively may outperform larger traditional entities, leading to a more dynamic and competitive landscape. 7. The role of social media. There's a common belief that social media's influence is primarily positive for media and consultancy sectors. However, the potential for misinformation, polarization, and public backlash presents risks that could undermine growth. The reliance on social media for engagement may yield unpredictable results, complicating the narrative around its benefits. 8. Assumption of uniform growth across sectors. The expectation of uniform growth across media technology and political consultancy may not hold true. Different segments within these sectors may experience varying rates of growth due to distinct challenges and opportunities. This nuance is often overlooked, with analyses treating the sectors as homogeneous rather than recognizing their unique dynamics. These counterintuitive insights reveal that the anticipated growth in these sectors is not merely a straightforward trajectory but a complex interplay of factors that may defy conventional expectations. Understanding these dynamics will be crucial for stakeholders aiming to navigate the evolving landscape effectively. The report on the projected 50% growth in the media technology and political consultancy sectors by Q4 2025 provides a wealth of information, but several critical elements may be overlooked by many readers. Here are some of those important aspects and their significance. 1. The role of AI and automation in consultancy. One of the pivotal yet often understated points in the report is the impact of artificial intelligence (AI) and automation on the consultancy sectors. While many discussions focus on technological advancements broadly, the specific implications of AI in streamlining processes, enhancing data analysis, and enabling predictive analytics could be more thoroughly explored. Significance: AI can revolutionize how consultancy firms operate by allowing for more accurate forecasting and strategic insights. As firms integrate AI tools, they can deliver more personalized and timely services, which are crucial in the fast-paced political landscape. This capability could significantly alter competitive dynamics, with firms that adopt AI leading the market while others lag behind. 2. The shift in consumer expectations. The report mentions changing consumer behavior but does not delve deeply into the nuances of these shifts. For instance, the demand for transparency and ethical practices in media and consultancy is growing. Consumers are becoming more discerning, expecting brands to align with their values. Significance: understanding these consumer expectations can help firms tailor their services and marketing strategies. Companies that prioritize ethical considerations and transparency in their operations may not only gain a competitive edge but also foster greater consumer loyalty in a market where trust is paramount. 3. The interplay between geopolitical factors and market dynamics. While the report mentions geopolitical risks as shaping market strategies, it fails to elaborate on how specific geopolitical events like elections, international conflicts, and trade negotiations can create both opportunities and challenges for consultancy firms. Significance: the interplay of these factors can lead to sudden shifts in demand for consultancy services. Firms that can anticipate these changes and adapt their strategies accordingly will likely outperform their competitors. Moreover, understanding the geopolitical landscape is essential for advising clients effectively, making this knowledge a key differentiator in the consultancy sector. 4. The impact of startups and disruption. The discussion on the competitive landscape highlights the threat of startups leveraging new technologies, disrupting traditional models, yet it does not detail how these startups are reshaping the industry. Significance: startups often bring innovative approaches that challenge established firms. By examining specific case studies of successful startups in the media and consultancy space, established firms can identify potential threats and opportunities. This knowledge can inform their strategies, encouraging them to innovate rather than simply react defensively. 5. The importance of agility in established firms. The report notes that established firms may struggle with agility, yet it doesn't emphasize the strategies that these firms can employ to become more agile. Significance: agility is critical in a rapidly changing environment. Established firms need to foster a culture of innovation, embrace agile methodologies, and invest in training their workforce to adapt to new technologies and market demands. Firms that can pivot quickly in response to new information will be better positioned for success. 6. Environmental and social governance (ESG) trends. The report does not address the growing importance of environmental, social, and governance (ESG) factors in consultancy and media sectors. As stakeholders increasingly demand accountability regarding sustainability and social impact, this trend is becoming a key consideration for firms. Significance: firms that proactively incorporate ESG principles into their strategies can enhance their reputation, attract clients, and mitigate risks associated with regulatory changes. Understanding and integrating ESG factors into their business models can provide a competitive advantage as consumers and investors prioritize sustainability. 7. The role of data privacy regulations. While the report emphasizes technological advancements, it overlooks the implications of data privacy regulations like GDPR on the media and consultancy sectors. As firms collect and analyze more consumer data, they must navigate an increasingly complex regulatory landscape. Significance: non-compliance with data privacy regulations can result in significant fines and reputational damage. Firms that prioritize data privacy and transparency will not only comply with legal requirements but also build trust with consumers, which is essential for long-term success in consultancy and media. 8. The future of remote work and its impact on consultancy. The report does not discuss how the shift towards remote work accelerated by the COVID-19 pandemic will affect the consultancy sector. The future of work is transforming the way consultancy firms engage with clients and manage teams. Significance: remote work has implications for talent acquisition, collaboration, and client engagement. Firms that effectively leverage remote work technologies can access a broader talent pool and offer more flexible services to clients. Understanding how to navigate this shift will be crucial for maintaining competitiveness. Conclusion: the projected 50% growth in the media, technology, and political consultancy sectors by Q4 2025 presents numerous opportunities and challenges. By focusing on elements such as the role of AI shifting consumer expectations, geopolitical influences, startup disruption, agility in established firms, ESG trends, data privacy regulations, and the future of remote work, firms can better prepare for the evolving landscape. These insights are essential for stakeholders aiming to capitalize on the growth potential while navigating the complexities of a rapidly changing environment. 1. Technological advancements. The rapid evolution of technology is a cornerstone of the projected growth in the media, technology, and political consultancy sectors. Innovations such as artificial intelligence, data analytics, and enhanced digital communication are transforming operations within these industries. Firms are increasingly leveraging these technologies to offer personalized services, streamline processes, and improve client engagement. This transformation is not merely about adopting new tools but rethinking strategies to fully harness the potential of technological advancements, which will be crucial in differentiating firms in a competitive landscape. 2. Market demand and consumer behavior. The shift in consumer behavior towards personalized and engaging content is driving demand in both media and political consultancy sectors. As consumers become more discerning and seek relevant media experiences, firms must adapt their offerings to meet these expectations. This trend indicates a significant opportunity for growth, as companies that successfully engage consumers through tailored content and insights can gain a competitive edge. Understanding these changing preferences will be essential for firms aiming to thrive in the projected growth period. 3. Geopolitical factors. The role of geopolitical dynamics and macroeconomic volatility cannot be understated in this growth projection. Political consultancy firms are increasingly tasked with navigating complex international relations and advising clients on potential risks and strategic responses. As geopolitical tensions influence market conditions, the need for expert consultancy that can provide insights into these developments becomes paramount. This factor not only shapes the strategies of consultancy firms but also influences the broader market landscape, making it a key point of analysis. 4. Competitive landscape. The competitive landscape presents both challenges and opportunities as established players and startups vie for market share. Traditional firms may struggle with agility and innovation, while new entrants can disrupt established models by leveraging cutting-edge technologies. This dynamic creates a scenario where continuous innovation is essential for survival. Firms will need to balance investment in new technologies with the agility to adapt to rapidly changing market conditions and consumer demands, making strategic positioning a vital aspect of their growth strategies. These 4 points encapsulate the critical elements driving the anticipated growth in the media technology and political consultancy sectors by Q4 2025. An in-depth discussion of these areas will provide insights into how firms can navigate the complexities of this evolving landscape and capitalize on emerging opportunities. 1. The rise of the Internet and digital media. 1990s to 2000s. The advent of the Internet in the late 20th century marked a dramatic shift in the media landscape. Traditional media companies faced a significant transformation as digital platforms emerged, leading to a decline in print media and the rise of online news outlets. By the early 2000s, companies like Google and Facebook became dominant players, fundamentally changing how news and information were consumed. This seismic shift in consumer behavior, alongside technological advancements in communication and content distribution, parallels the projected growth dynamics in media and technology sectors anticipated by 2025. 2. Political consultancy surge during the 2008 U.S. presidential election. The 2008 presidential election in the United States saw the emergence of data-driven political consultancy as a critical component in campaign strategy. Firms like Blue State Digital utilized cutting-edge technology and social media to engage voters and mobilize support for Barack Obama's campaign. This marked a turning point in how political consultancy operated, emphasizing the importance of analytics and consumer engagement strategies in political communication. The subsequent growth in the political consultancy sector reflects a similar trajectory of demand for strategic insights and tailored approaches in response to changing political landscapes. 3. The impact of the 2016 Brexit referendum on political consulting. The Brexit referendum in the United Kingdom highlighted the increasing importance of political consultancy in shaping public opinion and navigating complex political environments. Campaigns such as Vote Leave employed innovative strategies leveraging data analytics and social media to influence voter sentiment. The aftermath of Brexit saw a surge in demand for consultancy firms that could provide insights into public opinion and policy implications, showcasing how geopolitical factors can drive growth in political consultancy. This scenario underscores the ongoing evolution of political consulting in response to significant global events, akin to the anticipated growth in the sector by 2025. The projected 50% growth in the media, technology and political consultancy sectors by the fourth quarter of 2025 is a significant indicator of the transformative trends shaping these industries. This forecast reflects a convergence of technological advancement, evolving consumer preferences, and dynamic geopolitical landscapes. Here are the key predictions and insights about the future outlook based on expert analyses and competitive landscape assessments. 1. Technological advancements. The rapid pace of technological innovation is expected to remain a driving force in these sectors. Artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, and advanced data analytics are anticipated to revolutionize how media and consultancy firms operate. These technologies will enable businesses to offer more personalized and efficient services, enhancing customer engagement and satisfaction. For instance, AI-driven content curation and automated reporting tools will allow media companies to deliver tailored content, while political consultancies will leverage predictive analytics to provide strategic insights into voter behavior and campaign effectiveness. 2. Shifting consumer behavior. As consumer demand for personalized and engaging content continues to rise, companies in the media and consultancy sectors must adapt their strategies accordingly. The trend toward customization is expected to fuel growth, with consumers increasingly gravitating toward platforms that provide relevant and interactive experiences. Firms that embrace this shift by employing data-driven strategies to understand audience preferences will likely capture a larger market share. Additionally, the integration of immersive technologies such as virtual reality (VR) and augmented reality (AR) is projected to enhance content delivery, creating more engaging experiences for users. 3. Geopolitical factors. The political landscape will play a pivotal role in shaping the growth trajectory of consultancy firms. With increasing global tensions and uncertainty in international relations, there will be heightened demand for expert advice on navigating complex political environments. Political consultancy firms are expected to expand their services to address the unique challenges posed by fluctuating policies, trade relations, and regulatory changes. This need for strategic guidance will drive demand for consultancy services, creating new opportunities for firms that can effectively analyze and interpret geopolitical trends. 4. Competitive landscape. The competitive environment in the media technology and consultancy sectors is poised for significant evolution. Established firms will need to innovate continuously to maintain relevance and market share, while startups leveraging cutting-edge technologies could disrupt traditional business models. The ability to adapt quickly to emerging trends and consumer expectations will be crucial for survival. Collaborations and partnerships between tech firms and media or consultancy companies may become more prevalent, enabling shared resources and expertise to drive innovation. 5. Market dynamics and economic conditions. The interplay between market dynamics and macroeconomic conditions will be critical in shaping growth trajectories across these sectors. Economic fluctuations, inflationary pressures, and changes in consumer spending habits will influence the demand for media and consultancy services. Companies must remain vigilant in monitoring these factors to adjust their strategies accordingly. Furthermore, as businesses increasingly prioritize sustainability and social responsibility, consultancy firms that can offer insights into ethical practices and corporate governance will likely see a surge in demand. Timeline of key events. 2023 to 2024, early indicators of technological adoption and changing consumer preferences emerge, with firms beginning to invest in AI and data analytics to enhance service offerings. Mid-2024, geopolitical tensions escalate, prompting consultancy firms to expand their services in risk management and strategic planning. Late 2024, analysts forecast significant growth in the media and consultancy sectors, driven by continued technological integration and rising consumer expectations. Q4 2025, the anticipated convergence of advancements in technology, consumer behavior shifts, and a complex political landscape materializes, leading to a projected 50% growth in these sectors. Conclusion. The projected 50% growth in the media technology and political consultancy sectors by Q4 2025 signals a period of significant transformation. Technological advancements, changing consumer behaviors, and geopolitical dynamics will shape the future landscape, presenting both challenges and opportunities for industry players. Companies that can harness innovation, adapt to evolving market conditions, and respond to consumer demands will be well positioned to thrive in this rapidly changing environment. The next few years will be crucial for firms to implement strategic initiatives that align with these trends, ensuring they remain competitive in an increasingly complex and interconnected world.